The question should be for districts and from AIFF side, because I'm a firm believer that as a leader you cannot ask somebody to do things until unless you set an example. I'll give you a very recent example. Just today, I had a workshop with one of the state who like barely participating in women's competitions. So I had about more than 50, actually more than 50 participants were there, and when I basically briefed them about what we are doing, what are our plans for women's football, youth girls, and Hero India Women's League. So the response from them was so positive. They were actually thrilled. They wanted to participate. That if they are allowed to play in IWL if tomorrow, so they would love to come out and participate in that. And their questions were also very interesting, very I would say very apt, related to the participation, related to the issues which district associations, state associations face on daily basis. So the thing is, without districts, the states cannot do much. So it is actually, we are heavily dependent on the local bodies to do their part, to perform well enough to make a successful national organization or a national team. So I thoroughly believe that if we have a good domestic culture, we will definitely be having a great team at international level. So districts certainly plays a major role in this. And AIFF, what we have started very recently is we are having workshops with all those states, including those districts, including all the stakeholders. From For women, for example, we have all the stakeholders who are investing either financially or emotionally, or personally. They are investing in either way in women's football. So we want them to have a one-on-one chat with us. We want them to participate, and if they have any suggestions or any ideas which can help us in bringing more women football in this in footballing world, that will be great. So like after today's workshop, I was very thrilled. I'm looking forward to organize more workshops with other states who wants to do things but they are unable to do it. So we want to play a role of a role of a problem solving federation. So if tomorrow somebody is stuck somewhere, somebody wants our expertise, somebody wants our technical support, so we will be more than happy, because our aim, our motto is very simple, that we want the participation. We want everybody to come and participate. As far as the support matters, we will give our support wherever we can offer. And I think so related to districts and states, yes, we need more participation. We need their support. AIFF need their support, and more than state district need their support. AIFF needs district associations and state associations support. I think Henry, sir, Dinesh would agree on this part, because until unless we have a strong domestic culture, we are not going to make a very good footballing nation. So since Hero IWL has started, I have personally received so many requests from the clubs. So many clubs are interested, but somewhere they have issues that they don't have proper coaches, they don't have proper players. Their players are playing for some other clubs, for neighboring states and all. So all these issues will be there, but we need to sort out these issues. We have to we have to focus on more and more, that how we can develop all together, we can develop women's football. So yes, district associations will be a key stakeholder in overall progress of for women's or football development.